How accurate are industrial floor scales? Find out next. The answer to the question, how accurate are pallet scales, is simply that they are accurate to within 1/10 of 1%. Most of the floor scales that we offer are designed to weigh within 1/10 of 1%. So for example, if you have a 5,000 pound capacity industrial floor scale and you place 5,000 pounds on the scale platform, then the scale should display a weight reading that's within plus or minus 5 pounds of 5,000 pounds. So it could display 5,000 pounds, or it could be something like 4,996 pounds, or it could be 5,003 pounds. All of these amounts that I just mentioned are technically within tolerance. The industrial scales are designed to meet that accuracy. However, things can happen daily or over a period of time to affect that accuracy. Perhaps a pallet was dropped on the scale. Scales do not handle shock loads very well. Maybe the scale was moved to a different location, or maybe the scale hasn't been checked or calibrated in several years. Many scale owners are weighing valuable items. Weight errors can be costly and hurt the bottom line. Scales may technically be designed to weigh within a certain tolerance, but that doesn't mean that they always will weigh within tolerance. They need to be checked and tested on a regular basis. That's why it's important to set up a regular scale calibration and maintenance program. The frequency can vary depending on how important your scale weight readings are to your business. I hope this video has helped you better understand how accurate industrial floor scales are, and some different ways that you can have your scales checked periodically. If you need some assistance with your industrial floor scales, be sure to call us at 919-776-7737, or you can contact us by visiting centralcarolinascale.com. Thanks for watching.